Maurya, and here we are going to discuss about subtractions of integers. In which we have already solved various types of question, and also we have done the simplification of integer with the operation of subtraction. And now we have some logical question to solve here. So let's start our question. Okay, before starting the question, let me explain about the additive identity and additive inverse. So students, here as we know that a number which on adding or subtracting from a given non-zero integer doesn't change its initial value is called identity element. Okay, and here if we have a number 5 and the question is which number should be added here to get 5 again, then our answer will be 0. Means here we have to add 0 to get the given number. So that 0 is called additive identity. Therefore, 0 is called additive identity. Okay, and let's see additive inverse. The meaning of additive inverse in the sense of identity is that which number should be added in a given number to get identity element, that is 0. If 5 is a given number, then the question is which number should be added in 5 to get the value 0. Then here answer will be if we add minus 5 in plus 5, we get the identity element 0. So in this case minus 5 is called additive inverse of 5. And also we know that for every positive integer there exists a corresponding negative integer. Therefore, all the corresponding negative integers are called additive inverse of their respective positive integer. So here if I write 1001, then its additive inverse will be minus 1001. 865, then its additive inverse will be minus 865. But if we have a negative integer, suppose that minus 63, then what will be its additive inverse? So here the question arises, which number should be added in minus 63 to get 0? So here our answer will be if we add plus 63, that is positive number. Therefore here we write like this, and here we get minus 63 plus multiplied by plus, again keep plus and 63. So here the answer will be 0. So in this case we can also say that for every negative integers, there exists a respective positive integer or corresponding positive integer as their additive inverse. So that if I write minus 1000, then its additive inverse will be 1000. Okay, so I hope that you get the concept of additive identity and additive inverse. So let's start exercise. The first question is, what is the additive inverse of 242? So here we can see that 242 is a positive integer, and we know that for every positive integer there exists a corresponding negative integer. So for 242 there exists minus 242, which on adding plus 242 will give us 242 plus minus minus, and 242 is equal to 0. So here we can see that on adding minus 242 in 242 give us an element which is the identity element. So we can say that minus 242 is the additive inverse of 242. Okay, so I hope the result is clear. Let us see the next question. Does 0 have an identity inverse? Does 0 have an additive inverse? If yes, then why? If no, then also why? So, in order to solve such question, let's remind the definition of types of integer, where we have studied three types of integer. The first is positive integer, negative integer, and zero integer. Okay, in which we have defined zero integer by saying that zero is called zero integer, and we also have given the remark for zero integer is that zero is neither positive integer nor negative integer. So that if 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer, then how we can say that 0 has its additive inverse? So for a number which is neither positive nor negative, there is not possible to find out their additive inverse. So here we can say that no, 0 have no additive inverse, because 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. So our answer will be no, because 0 is neither positive integer not negative integer. So I hope it is also clear to all what is the answer for the question, does 0 have an additive inverse? Then your answer will be always no. If somebody asks why, then you have to say that because 0 is neither negative integer nor positive integer. So in this way we are unable to find out the additive inverse for such type of number. Okay, so let's see the next question. If the sum of if the sum of let's see the question. If the sum of two integers if the sum of two integers is -7 and one integer is -10, then find the other. So student, this is the question which looks like some complicated, but if you remind your previous class addition method, then there you got like that 2, 5, 9, 7, 4, like this. And here, when I ask that which number should be added in 5 to get 7, then here you simply just subtract 5 from 7 and here you get 2. So here you will just write 2. Okay? So we have to follow the exactly same rule on this question to get our solution. So let us see. First you write here sum is equal to -7. One integer is equal to -10 and other we have to find. So that here we write 7 minus 10. Here we simply subtract -10 from -7. So here we get -7 plus 10 and this is equal to 3 as a result. Okay? So I hope you understand the solution of this question, and if you have any doubt or question, so please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. Till then, goodbye.